Nice one, still warm too. Oh yeah. Every time there would be block parties like this and I lived on the street, this is how I would eat. Walk around, look for plates sitting on the top of the trash. Amen. A lot of times I would actually be working and I would have money, but this is how I would save. Ah. This is literally the best time to where a lot of people who live on the streets will go and find food at the cans, which is one of the reasons why they chose to put these new trash cans, right? These new cans that you can't get anything out of. Fucking grinds galore, huh? Oh. Huh? Come on. No, no, good, thank you. Got another plate over here. Huh?
Kalani's been overserved. Skirp.
Fuck, you choke grinds over here.
Oh. You guys hungry? Shut the fuck up. Oh, you're just cleaning, I get it.
No, I didn't. What? I'm eating.
Stab you.
Why? Why, you're not hungry? You like some? You know, like...
No, I cannot.
People throw away a lot of food. That's why I'm just eating all this crap. Somebody just walk up and put it down. I mean, hopefully they don't have AIDS, but...
Hope he doesn't have AIDS.
Nope, don't either. Oh, nah, I'm good, bro. I fucking just ate 3 plates of shish kebab and... Crap, people throw away their plates. There's like so much left still. It's all fucking warm and shit still.
Yes.
Bro. Holy shit. That's fucking terrible. Get these trash cans.
Get some wheat drop.
Yeah, but I see.
Crazy.
See, somebody, I have food already, but somebody else could eat them. Guarantee Moki grind this.
Guaranteed, bro.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Whoa. old. He shouldn't get
Look how much trash the thing makes. Wow, look how much trash. Look this one, look this one.
He shouldn't get Mookie would smash that. Get still getting meaty, but I'm too meaty.
For real?
For real, bro.
Oh yeah, Mookie would smash that with the napkin inside. Mookie's on fucking, he's the blob, cuz. Thank you.
Stop, stop, stop.
I full already, but Mookie gonna eat this, guarantee. So now they put these 2 cans on the side so that it won't overflow and they don't have to put the food on the top of the can now. But now there's the load of food in there to go grab.
Yes, sir.
It's the grinds right there. So some of these guys, they take plates and then they combine them together. Oh yeah. Survival in Waikīkī. Block parties is the shit. That's the time for come out and grind. Oh, cause they check in all of them. See them.
They probably never.
Got a tourist just standing there watching him digging in the trash, huh? You never know until you gotta do this. Struggle is real, brah.
I'm right here. We're all back together again.
Let go.
From the same place, same tattoo.
Yeah, really? Fuck up.
Yeah, you.
So, Hammer.
Bro, I shouldn't grind so much.
Oh, cuz, why we
What's
gotta
up?
check out the trash, cuz?
No, for real.
No, for real.
Yeah.
Don't do the race.
The fuckers. Bro, it's 8 fucking tree of them. Had, bro, get the load every trash can. And then now the guys are going around fucking bringing one bin so that they can throw all the stuff that's piled up on top.
What?
Bro, get the load of fucking food, bro, on the trash cans right now. Bro, look, over here, get 2, look.
Oh, I see a fat plate right there.
Yeah. Fat plate. Yeah. Apple core.
Alcoholic drink.
Oh yeah. Oh.
Look at that dog.
Is that what that is?
Whatever, I like eat them. Sauce them up. You know, like a nice little one of those, you know, sushi with the egg on the outside. Yeah.
Yeah.
Or gyoza, like a fucking little.
I forget what those things are called.
everything inside of these plates.
Are they?
Oh, there's some soup in here. Let me try what I'm gonna do here. Oh, I gotta keep
Bro, some grains, huh? Fucking Dylan just got arrested.
What?
Yeah, fuck.
I'm not skinny.
You're skinny. I say you look like a lumpia. Lumpia's
Olympia.
skinny.
Oh.
Kiss me after you eat all that trash.
Why are you watching my face? So gross.
I don't know who more gross, you or me.